Thank you, Jamie. These events are always wonderful, and we are certainly proud and honored, David, to welcome all of the Breeze team here. These events, when you look at first deliveries, in my mind, are a little bit like a first kiss. You never forget the first kiss, and this airplane, I hope you never forget. David, Eva, you brought your family with you. Sometimes I think that just improves load factors across the entire U.S. But we really appreciate that because we feel our products bring people together, bring you together, and that's what this is really all about. Breeze is an airline that is merging technology and kindness. And when, David, this is probably your fourth or fifth airline. And we have reached a point at Airbus that when David Neeleman calls and says he has an idea for an airline, I stopped going through all this risk analysis because I realized I can't keep up. What you have a vision of and what I can conceive of are two different things. So, David, there's no doubt in my mind that your view of the next step of the airline industry it is exactly where the industry is going. And where is that in our mind? Well, you're kinder, nicer to passengers through what we view as best in class and comfort. You're kinder to the environment. And I think we can show that with the engine Rick and team put on the airplane. The passenger experience. We think this airplane will provide a best in class passenger experience. The largest cabin, 21 inches wider than the competition, the highest ceilings, a quiet cabin, 18-inch plus seats, wider aisles, vertical sidewalls, the largest overhead bins in the category, and importantly and interestingly, the largest windows. It makes a difference, and these airplanes have that. And of course, you can't have an airplane today without mood lighting. So of course, we have mood lighting in this airplane. And all this together, I think, is an offering to make it a nicer way to fly. And as we look at a nicer way to fly, the environment is key. The 220, gotta get my airplane straight, you bought so many 320s now. The 220 offers 25% less fuel burn and CO2, 50% smaller noise footprint, and 50% fewer nitrous oxide. Again, due to our friends at Pratt. It's really a plane like no other. It was a clean sheet design. It gives you the flexibility to really fly anywhere you want in the world. And importantly, make money anywhere in the world. And it was purpose-built for the 100 to 150 seat category with advanced materials. And it really works on short or long hauls. So if you're flying 500 nautical or 3,400 nautical, this is your airplane. So your view, David, is serving the underserved markets in the United States. And we are just proud that this aircraft will be doing that for you. So we want to thank you all for what you do. We want to thank our employees for what they have done to pull this all together. And David, Eva, thanks for the faith you have in Airbus. And I know, Eva, I've learned something about you. Even this morning, when I was talking to the governor's office of Alabama, the comment was, you know, Eva's from Alabama. So you're well ahead of where the rest of us are, and we really appreciate you coming back home. So we would like you to see how we build a seriously nice A220 for a seriously nice airline. So if we could roll the videotape.